Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and we are back after 3 weeks. We are almost set in our new house. Almost, when I say it's like 80%, we are back from our vacay mode. We are struggling to get back to our routine. It's been a week that we are back, but we have still not been in the routine so far. When I say routine, as in yes, we're going to school, we're doing all the classes, but in terms of sleeping, in terms of waking up, I think I am like a zombie right now. And I developed eye infection, so my eyes have been like really troubling me a lot. However, keeping all that aside, today's video is all about how to get kids and yourself back to routine when you take a break or when you travel and you come back. Okay, so the first thing that is very important is that you have to make an agenda, or like you have to make notes, like how many weeks do you give yourself to come back to routine, whether it's like doing getting your child back on their activity schedule or the normal schedule, or getting yourself in the normal life or routine. So what I have done, I have given ourselves like 4 weeks to get back where we left. And when I said 4 weeks, in that I'm going to repeat and revise everything that we've done in the last 6 or 7 months with Vivan, and all my activities and all the things that we'll be doing will be based on that. So when I say we will be based on that, and the activities, it's not gonna be just written, it's more oral now. We are doing a lot of oral conversation and oral things and observations, and that's what I plan to do. The second thing that you have to do is you have to keep reminding your child before you are getting into that routine. So like before we came back from our trip, or before I decided that we're going to start from Saturday, I took a week in advance, and I kept telling Vivan every day, like multiple number of times at different times of the day, but yes, that from Saturday we're going to go back to our schedule. I've planned a lot of things for you. We're going to play this game, we're going to do this, we have to go back to our routine, so that he's mentally prepared. So first is you make an agenda, like what all do you have to do in the couple of weeks and what would you like to achieve. Second is you keep reminding your child that he has to get back to the old routine. Playtime is over. No, not really over, but yes, it's gonna be restricted or to the timing, whatever it is. And the third is that you have to take it very, very slow. When I say slow is, so I'll tell you how we did. We started on Saturday or Friday last week. Friday was an easy day. We did not do anything. We just read a book. That's it. Saturday in the morning, he played Xbox. And after that, we were supposed to go out for lunch to somebody's place. I had like an hour or so in between. I gave Ivan's favorite activity to him, which was crosswords, and he was doing that. He did 5 of them. He's very fond of maths. And what I did was I just gave him one page. It had odd numbers, even numbers, because that's something that we have done already. And then there were Roman numerals and some subtraction questions. You will not believe he took 40 minutes to finish that one page, wherein he can finish it in like 7 to 8 minutes, that full page. He took 40 minutes, and that 40 minutes, 20 minutes I was not sitting here and I was gone and I was doing some work. When I came back, he was just sitting there with the pencil, and I knew that he won't do more. So what I did, I stopped him there. I said, whatever you've done is great, finish. Let's finish it. When we came back in the evening, we read another book. That was day number 2. Day 3, again, I sat with him. I read a book with him. We did some spellings. We were just writing like 2 or 3 words, and he was already tired. He was tired, and I said, okay, fine. I did push. Yes, I did push. I tried my level best to push, but I thought it's not working, so I left it. And then throughout the day, we did spellings orally. We did addition orally. We did Roman numerals orally. So I asked him, how do you write 5? And he would say V. How do you write 2? He would say like 2 times standing line. Then I asked him, how do you write 10? He would say an X. So something like this, where he's not writing, but at the same time he's just revising everything in the brain. So the first was to make an agenda. The second was that, what was the second one? Remind your child. The third one is that you take it easy. And the fourth one is, please don't push or compare, or don't when I say take it easy and like don't push, there are like 2 different things totally here. When I say don't push at all, or for just activities, so try and use different ways. Sometimes kids don't like to come back to activities directly. Vivan is going to be 6 years by end of January. So our situation is now a little better on coming back to things, but when he was younger, he used to not like it. So it can be any form of coming back. It can be with drawing, it can be with art, it can be with the book, it can be with the game, with maybe a family activity, maybe an episode. So I'm just gonna give you a very small example quickly. I remember like 2 or 3 years back when I came back from my trip from somewhere, Vivan and I was watching Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, and the hunt was that Mickey Mouse was supposed to go to the Pluto planet, and it was a glowing planet. So what I did with Vivan was I made an activity in the house with 8 gigantic balls, and I kept it all over the house. And the ninth one, I put a glowing light, and I hid it somewhere in the house. And all the numbers from 1 to 9 were done in ordinal and Roman numerals at that time. And along with the planet colors were done in Bahasa, the Indonesian language that we were reading at that time. So it really helped us in like coming back, and you will not believe that it registered it so well that he related every time with that activity to somebody else. So now whenever I try and see something in the TV that he's watching, or if he relates to something, I try and create an activity around it so that he relates to it and he enjoys it totally. So this is what exactly I'm going to do. I'm not going to push. I'm going to revise everything that we can. I'm going to take it very, very slow for the first couple of weeks with him. We're going to do a lot of brain teasers. I'm going to make activities so that I'm like hands-on already in advance. So that's it for him, guys. And for me, I'm gonna detox. I think I gained almost 2.5-3 kgs. I'm gonna take care of myself for sure. I think I've been like working way too hard to get the house organized and to manage 2 houses and a child and some work and some freelancing and some volunteering. So I'm gonna take care. I'm gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna have a lot of dry fruits, a lot of fruits. I drink a lot of water already, but I'm gonna do that. But yes, I am gonna make small goals for myself, and we are gonna be back in another 3 weeks. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions like how to get back to routine with you and your kids, do let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.